The acting Minister of Home Affairs, Jenfan Muswer, made a statement that's causing quite a stir. He warned opposition parties and civil society organizations against inciting chaos. Critics, including human rights lawyer Arnold Sunga and SITI director Zenzela Ndebele, are not happy. They argue that Muswer's warning undermines fundamental rights and could potentially incite security forces against civilians. That's a serious accusation. Arnold Sunga, a respected human rights lawyer, voiced his concerns, saying that such warnings can be seen as a threat to the democratic process. Zenzela Ndebele, the director of SITI, echoed these sentiments. He believes that the statement could lead to increased surveillance and harassment of opposition members and civil society activists. What's interesting here is the timing. This warning comes amidst internal factional tensions within ZANU-PF itself. Some analysts suggest that Muswer's statement might be more about consolidating power within his party, rather than addressing any real threats from the opposition. The opposition and CSOs are likely to continue challenging the government's actions, advocating for more democratic freedoms and transparency. Meanwhile, the government will probably keep on tightening its grip, citing national security and stability as reasons. It's a complex and evolving situation, one that will require vigilance and engagement from all sides. For now, the best thing we can do is stay informed and support efforts that promote genuine dialogue and peace. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on Zimbabwe from Zim News Live YTS.